Electrical Practice Board Explanation. This is a homemade electrical practice training board designed for learning and testing basic residential wiring. The board includes 2 lamp holders at the top, 2 single-pole light switches, 1 dimmer switch to control light brightness, 1 duplex electrical outlet, mounted on an MDF board for safe practice. This board is useful for practicing light switch wiring, understanding how a dimmer works, testing power outlets, training electrician trainees, and handymen. It is ideal for beginners and anyone learning home electrical systems. Shag, light used, from Home Depot. I used an LED adjustable white light bulb that can be purchased at Home Depot. Light features: 8-watt general purpose LED, adjustable white color temperature, color options: 2700K soft white, 3000K bright white, 3500K true white, 4000K cool white, 5000K daylight, 6500K daylight deluxe. Energy efficient and safe for testing. Works well with switches and dimmers.